Whop scammed me, but today I will give it one last chance. We have 24 hours to upload the clips and get paid, or I have to delete my account forever. The timer starts now. Alright, first off we need to find creators we can clip for. For a 24-hour challenge, we need at least 4 to 5 different campaigns to maximize our earning possibilities. So let's hop to the dashboard, and as you can see, there's way too many options for me to check every single one. But I think this really shows the point Whop is at. Even the top spending creators have stopped their campaigns because it's just not worth it. People are catching on to it, so nobody buys their products or even subscribes to them on YouTube. And it also gets only shadier at this point. Get paid to post gambling content is an interesting take, I have to say. Trading clips for a trader is also not really my thing, and also only pays $1 per 1,000 clicks. I actually have no idea who this guy is, but he pays $2 per 1,000 clicks. I will look more into him definitely. Or we could clip long form content for this guy, which I also know zero about. But as you can see, there's more and more shady people on the website. I will find some solid ones now, and then we will see each other again. But then, I realized something devastating. A whole hour has passed already. I low-key settled on 5 creators, but we most definitely have to drop at least one to keep in the time frame. This is gonna be a tough one. Let me show you the creators real quick. Alright guys, first off we got Wallow. I actually do not really know what he's doing, but the requirements are easy and the money is alright. Next up we got Dima, and I believe his CSGO clips, which I actually have zero knowledge about, and which makes it even worse, is that he only pays 10 cents per 1,000 views. Next up we got Dr. Pompa. That guy looks phony as hell, but he pays us $3 per 1,000 views. He doesn't want any low quality content, even though his own pictures in like 360p. The fourth one is Steak, something I actually don't want to advertise, but there's no other options on Whop right now. They also pay $2 per 1,000 views, and I think it's pretty easy to get clicks. Last but not least, we got Trader Main. As the name says, I think he's a trader. Also not too excited to clip for him, but yeah, these are our 5 options, and now we get to the tough part. We have to drop one of them. It's really tough for me right now. I don't know what you guys would do, but you can let me know in the comments if you want to. But I settled on dropping Wallow, and here's the reason why. In his start here section, it says I have to watch 24 hours of his content. This would take up the time of the whole experience. Start the clipping with Dima. He sadly doesn't have any folders with clips, so I have to source them myself real quick. When CapCut, and the first thing we have to do since it's a gaming clip is double the clip, so we can have 1 layer of face cam and 1 layer of the gameplay. Now that that is done, basically all there is left to do is cut up the clip and then add some captions. Okay, the cutting up part is done. I also fixed the format as you can see, but let's just say this way it doesn't look perfect. The guy's face cam was very small, so it doesn't even fill up the upper part of the video, but yeah, we have to work with what we got. All there is left to do now is add the auto captions and add a few zoom effects. And that's all it takes to upload these videos, including finding the footage. This will maybe take me 45 minutes to an hour. Alright guys, at this point we're over 2 hours into this challenge, and we've just finished our first video. There's just one little thing I forgot about. I also have to create a channel for each creator. Luckily I always have some aged YouTube accounts ready, so the videos can hit the algorithm. So let's customize the channel real quick. We just uploaded our first clip, but as we all know, one clip will not make us enough money to survive. So I made up my mind to create another clip for Dima, then switch on to the next creator, as we have 4 in total. My goal is to create 2 clips a day for each creator. Hopefully I can make it, and then tomorrow I will wake up really early and work on more clips, so we can hopefully get it back. Obviously I'm not going to take you guys through every single clip that I edit, so let's do a little time lapse. And as you can see on the timestamp, we have actually gotten through the second clip pretty quickly. And I have to say, I'm actually really happy with the second clip. The clips definitely could have been better, I'm not going to argue that, but we're fighting time. We cannot forget my sleep is included in these 24 hours, so I'm trying to get everything done as quickly as possible. I've scheduled the second clip for later at 10 p.m, but not only that, I've also created the second channel, Dr. Pompa Talks. And as you can see, Dr. Pompa is subscribed to me, as should you be. Jokes aside, so far I have no idea how to go viral with his clips, but that's the fun of the challenge. I have to find out. Let's get into it. I just finished the first clip for Dr. Pompa, and as you can see, it's a typical podcaster, just as every third guy that is in his mid-40s does nowadays. And I see one crucial problem for us. We have to hit at least 10k views to be eligible for the payout, and I have no idea how to do this with his content. Even his original videos only get 800 to 2,000 views, so good luck to me to making this work. And just when I finished the second podcast clip for Dr. Pompa, this weird and unexplainable feeling overcame my body. It turned out to be hunger. And since I obviously do not have any time to cook myself something, there was only one logical way to handle this: to order food. So I put my shoes on, left the house, and went to pick up my food. Quick food reveal. I couldn't open it like a normal person, so I destroyed the packaging, but bang. Okay guys, currently 11:30 a.m. on the next day. I guess I owe you guys a little catching up session. So yesterday after demolishing my food, I kind of fell asleep. We currently only have 2 hours and 21 minutes left on our timer, but I was not as lazy as you guys probably thought I was. I've been awake already for a few hours, and I've finished off the last 2 creators that we chose. I've uploaded the videos, clipped them, edited them, and everything. But having over 2 hours left kind of gives us a big chance to research maybe one big last creator that we can maybe cash out on, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do now. But and a big but, there is a little update. Do you guys remember Dima, the CSGO guy that we started clipping for? Well, I have some good news. We indeed hit the 1k threshold for his campaign, but there's a little problem. Well, as soon as we hit the threshold, we got kicked out of the Whop group. No, we did not get rejected. No, we did not get ignored. We achieved something completely new by getting kicked out totally. I guess just another creator wanted free PR. So I'm gonna go research now real quick, and hopefully we can save our Whop account together. Guys, we only have an hour and 54 seconds left, but I finally found the creator and I think it has viral potential. The question is, how many videos can I really get done in this time? It's really a race against time, so I cannot yet much longer. I will go and edit the videos. I will keep the creator mystery for now. You guys will find out in the end who it is and if it could make us money. So yeah, let me cook up for one last time and make the time I spent worth it. Alright guys, there's only 21 minutes left. Actually 20 minutes now, and we have created a few clips. Total, I've created 3 more clips for this mystery creator, and I think it's time to call it a day. We have basically used about 24 hours, and all there's left to do is to find out if we have to close our account or if we get to keep it. We will have the results. Alright guys, I gave the videos 2 days to chill in the algorithm, and I'm not gonna talk too much. I did not check any of the videos yet, so it's gonna be a surprise for all of us. So let's go check out the analytics. We're starting off with Dr. Pompa, and as you can see, the first video totally flopped. I didn't have much hope in general, to be honest, let alone because of the 10k threshold, but yeah, this one was still very, very underwhelming. And the second video did a little bit better, but it still barely scraped the 1k views, and we definitely have to take a step forward when it comes to the clicks of the videos if we want to make money here. And this is the first video for Trader Main, which indeed is our first video to hit the 1k views, and that should be enough to be paid. Also, the next video hit 1.4k views, so we should have made some money, but as you know, I say should have for a reason. It's still Whop. So let's check out if our clips got accepted. And yeah guys, as expected, we did not get accepted. There's no answer on the clips, and also looks like I forgot to send one clip in. That's kind of my fault, but it would have not been paid anyway, so we can say that we lost out on $2.90 like this. And a little thing I think I forgot to tell you guys is that I actually scrapped off Steak and went with Dambro instead. Steak was just too much for me, even though Dambro is also kind of the same concept. But as you can see, we hit another 1.5k views, but I have a sad message. There was a 6k minimum threshold, so it means we again didn't make a single cent off this video. And obviously one thing we cannot forget is that we got scammed by Dima, and both of our videos actually hit the 1.something k views. This one had 1.3k and the other one hit 1.5k views, which means we got scammed out of I think 29 cents. With that pay, I don't even know why I participated in that Whop. And last but not least, I can reveal a mystery creator, and it's actually David Dobrik. He's like a gigantic YouTuber. I don't even know how many subscribers that guy has. But does his Whop actually pay is the question now. The first video only had 1.3k views, but there was no threshold. So basically after 1k views, you should be paid. And also the second video hit 1.5k views. I also made a third video, but that got age restricted for some reason. So that one you can forget about. Let's check if we actually got paid by him. And also here we didn't get paid. It's still in review, which should not be the case, which means we made a whopping $0 again. Let's click right here and it's deleted.